Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making a leftover mushroom stuffing dip. For this recipe you need about 1.5 cups of leftovers from a mushroom stuffing. We used our crab stuffed mushroom mix, but you can use any leftover mushroom mix. Start by chopping 1.5 cups of mushroom stems and caps into small pieces. Then you saute the mushrooms until they're brown and tender. Takes about 5 minutes. After that, add 4 ounces of cream cheese and let it melt in the pan. When this is done, transfer it into a mixing bowl. Now you add the leftover mushroom stuffing. Then add 1/3 cup of sour cream and 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And mix all the ingredients. Then transfer the mix to a small oven-safe casserole dish. Bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. What mushroom stuffing did you use in your recipe? Let us know in the comments below. You can find more recipes like this at allspicedOut.com. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.